I need to finish my coffee. I am not awake. This is zombie Christian. Just woke up. Very freaking tired. So freaking sore from the workout I had yesterday, which I didn't even finish my vlog yesterday. I'm crazy. But we had, hubby and I both worked out at the same time. We had a hardcore HIIT workout. We did a little bit different stuff, but basically I did full body, but also a lot of quads. And I haven't done weight training and HIIT in a long time, since well before Vegas. So it hurts to walk. Workout outfit of the day. I think I'm gonna go onto the treadmill and just do something very light today because I'm super sore. So yeah, I'm just gonna do 30 minutes power walking on the treadmill. And I'm charging my watch right now. I didn't realize it was dead, and I didn't charge it last night because I was so freaking tired. I passed out. I didn't even wash my face, but I didn't wear makeup yesterday. I brushed my teeth and I passed the F out. That new toothpaste is not too bad, not too bad. I'm very picky about the taste of my toothpaste. It's not bad. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna let it charge and not use it, which bothers me because it's did you even work out if your Apple Watch doesn't record it, you know? But it's completely dead, so I'm gonna go drink half a bang and get to stepping. But look at this lighting over here. Not as bad, right? That is not my mess. I had this clean, guys. This is hubby. Okay, I just finished doing my makeup to make the nail video. Here is how it came out. I haven't done winged liner in so long, but I just felt like this outfit, it was very fitting. I'm just wearing this crop top with this little slip dress over top of it. And yeah, I just didn't feel like wearing pants. I didn't want to be constricted. I wanted to be comfortable. So even though it looks like I'm getting dressed up or something, I'm not. This is totally casual. It's this crop top that is way too cropped to wear with pants, but it goes perfectly underneath this slip dress, and I think this is super cute, but also laid back at the same time. So I just finished editing my little nail video. It's just a short, quick video. I'm gonna upload that now. And while it's uploading, I'm gonna be making the ranch for the hot wings I'm making tonight. So it's 5 o'clock. I'm probably gonna eat around 7, I would guess. So I wanna make the ranch now. That way it has time to coagulate and get cold in the fridge. And the recipe that I'm using for the ranch is actually Keto Ginger's here on YouTube. So if you want to make your own ranch, go show her some love and watch that video and give her a thumbs up, because the ranch is bomb. So it's not my recipe, it is her recipe, and she doesn't know who I am. I'm just saying it because it's a really, really good ranch. So yeah, I'm gonna make that now while the video uploads, and then we will be making some hot wings in an hour or two.
the matter?
I was asking you where the dogs were.
The dogs?
The tongs! I found it.
So, honey, I've got to tell you something, okay? These rescue dogs have had some tough situations. And a lot of them take on the personality of their owners. This dog was owned by rapper Ice-T. Everybody come on.
Oh, my little darling. Oh.
Man, you. You. Fuck mine. This house thing.
Okay, buddy, take it easy.
Testy.
It is time to get comfortable. Honestly, the best part of the night when you're wearing makeup is taking the lashes off and taking the makeup off. And I'm gonna get into pajamas. Did I have a shirt out here? No. So it took me forever to cook the chicken wings. The only thing about the air fryer is that you have to do your chicken wings in batches, and so it's a little bit time consuming, but it's still awesome. It's still way better than having to like fry them in oil, because like a bottle of avocado oil is like $10, and if you're doing that often, that adds up. But you have to buy an air fryer one time. So to me, the air fryer is definitely worth it. I love having it, and it is really so much easier to do that than to fry it in oil, but it is still time consuming nonetheless. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into some comfy pajamas and take my makeup off. I have to admit, I'm a little tipsy because on Saturday and Sundays, we drink. I always feel like I have to be careful of what I say on YouTube because everybody's like so sensitive nowadays, you know? Like everybody would just be like, oh my God, you're an alcoholic, you drink, what the heck? But, you know, I am a responsible adult and a responsible parent, and we drink in the safety of our home, and our children are taken care of, and our bills are taken care of, and whatever. We work freaking hard for the weekend. So yeah, on Saturdays and Sundays we drink because we have the days off together. Tomorrow's Monday, gotta bring my daughter to school, and I have a lot of laundry to do, and yeah, and then Tuesday, same thing. So I won't be drinking for the next 2 days, but it just definitely feels good to like let go for the weekend. It feels really good to get a buzz on. Helps you de-stress and relax. I have to be real, like I really need it on the weekends. And that's a thing. Like, you just saw me eat a bread. I know I shouldn't have ate a bread, but it's just like so hard sometimes. Like, I'm just so happy in life, and I just love to eat when I'm happy, and like maybe I shouldn't have got the conchas because I love conchas, and it's just too hard to have those things that I love in my house. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. but I thought my kids were gonna like them, and they didn't really like them, so I didn't want to waste them either, and they're so good. So I ate one, but it's okay. I worked out for 45 minutes today, and I'm gonna work out tomorrow, and you know what? It's gonna be okay. It's one day. I'm not gonna kill myself over it because 90% of the time I'm good. The only thing is that I can't give up drinking. I like to drink to relax on the weekends, and it is what it is. So let me know if you're the same way, because I feel like a lot of people are too sensitive about it or don't want to share about it because they're afraid of being judged. And there's nothing wrong with what I'm doing. It is what I'm doing is not illegal, and I'm safe about it, and I'm responsible about it.
Okay, I just want people to be straight with us.